In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord not picking up mic. If your friends can't hear you or your voice isn't showing up in Discord, we'll walk through the exact settings to check so you can get back to clear, reliable audio. Start by opening Discord and looking to the bottom left of the window. You'll see a small gear icon near your profile area. Click that gear to open user settings. This is where all of your personal preferences live, including the audio controls we need. Inside Settings, find and select the Voice and Video section. This page is dedicated to your input and output devices and how Discord handles your microphone signal. Everything we need to fix a silent mic is right here. First, choose the correct microphone. At the top of the Voice section, open the drop-down for the input device. Many computers show multiple options, such as a built-in laptop mic, a headset mic, a webcam mic, or a USB microphone. Pick the one that matches the microphone you're actually speaking into. If you select the wrong device, Discord won't receive any sound, even if your mic is working perfectly elsewhere. Next, turn off automatic input sensitivity. When this is on, Discord tries to guess how loud your voice is and when to let audio through. That guess can be wrong, which leads to your voice not being detected. Disable the automatic option and then manually adjust the sensitivity slider. Speak in your normal voice as you move the slider. Aim for a setting where your voice is consistently recognized while background noise remains quiet. If your voice isn't triggering, move the slider lower so it's more sensitive. If you hear too much room noise, nudge it higher until only your voice comes through. If it still doesn't work the way you expect, try removing any noise suppression or noise cancellation features on this page. These can be labeled as noise suppression, echo cancellation, or similar. While they're designed to clean up your audio, they can sometimes be too aggressive and block your voice entirely. Turn those options off so your microphone signal reaches Discord without being filtered out. That's all you need. To recap, open the gear icon, go to Voice and Video, select the right microphone, switch off automatic input sensitivity and set it manually, and if needed, turn off noise suppression or noise cancellation. With these adjustments, Discord should pick up your mic clearly, letting your voice come through exactly when you want it to.